Sanitary and plumbing systems. What is plumbing? It is the art and technique of installing pipes, fixtures, and other apparatuses in buildings and for bringing the supply, liquids, substances, or ingredients and removing them. From the Latin plumbum, for lead, as pipes were once made from lead, refers to a system of pipes and fixtures installed in a building for the distribution of potable water and the removal of waterborne wastes. Plumbing system includes all the potable water supply and distribution pipes, all plumbing fixtures and traps, all sanitary and storm drainage systems, including vent pipes, roof drains, leaders and downspouts, and all building drains and seways, including their respective joints and connections, devices, receptacles, and appendages within the property. Water lines in the premises includes portable tap, hot and chilled water piping, potable water treating or using equipments, fuel gas and piping, water heaters and vents for the same. So in the block diagram we can see first we need to supply water to the pipe, then it will fix the total fixture and the water will move to the drainage pipe. Plumbing cycle. Here the supply begins in the water mains and the storage tanks. Distribution occurs through pressure in the piping networks. The use is about only plumbing, the fixing of the plumbing cycle. The collection occurs in the gravity and the piping networks. The disposal occurs in the sanitary and storm sewers. The treatment occurs in the sewage plants, natural purification. After that, the treated water is returned to the original source. For example, lakes, rivers, and reservoirs. Definition: carries water from the water source, street main, or a pump to the building and to various points in the building at which water is used. Two types of water supply: cold water supply and hot water supply. Water plays an important part in the plumbing system. Providing water is one of the most critical utility requirements. It is referred as the universal solvent. Water cycle involves the three major stages: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Sources of water. It includes rainwater collected from roofs of buildings and special watersheds and stored in cisterns or ponds. Advantage: as we know, water is soft and pure and is suitable for the hot water supply system. The disadvantage is that only a source during the wet season is found. The storage becomes a breeding place for the mosquitoes. The roofs may not be clean. Groundwater, the portion of the rainwater which has percolated into the earth to form underground deposits, are referred as aquifers, also termed as water-bearing soil formation from springs and wells, and is the principal source of water for domestic use in most rural areas. Advantage: usually has an abundant supply, requires less treatment because of natural filtering. Disadvantage: may have organic matter and chemical elements. Usually treatment is suggested. Natural surface water, a mixture of surface runoff and groundwater. Surface sources includes rivers, lakes, ponds and impounding reservoirs. Advantage: usually easy to acquire and in large quantities. Used for irrigation, industrial purposes and when treated for community water supply. Disadvantage: it basically contains a large amount of bacteria, organic and inorganic substances. Purification and treatment is necessary. Uses of water: nourishment, cleaning and hygiene purposes, ceremonial uses, transportational uses, used as a cooling medium, for ornamental element and for protective uses.